It's just before 7 o'clock in the morning. The kids are still asleep. It's dark out, which is strange. It's not normally dark at 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to open the door to see how much snow we got. I haven't checked yet, so let's take a look and see. Whoa. Okay, so the ice melt did not work at all. Okay, let me turn the camera around. The DC suburbs, right around 7 o'clock in the morning. All right, let's go check the backyard. It's not this dark at 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's still snowing. Let's go measure, see how much we got. Okay, that looks to be about 4.5 inches. Okay, it's time to start shoveling now. I switched into proper snow boots instead of my Britney Spears Uggs. Time for round one of shoveling the sidewalk since my ice melt didn't work.